Would you like to know how to change the links at the top and the bottom of your Thinkific site? If so, stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you how. So I'm just on my test site right now, on my test Thinkific site, and we're looking at the header up at the top here, which would normally have your logo on the left-hand side and then some links along the right. And then at the bottom is your footer, and that would have your copyright. It might have your social links, and it's going to have potentially some links down here as well. So I want to show you how to be able to change these so you have full control. So right now we're on the site builder part of Thinkific. So this is where you would design your sales pages and your landing pages and any custom pages as well. And the thing to remember about your header and your footer links is if you change these on any page on your Thinkific site, it's going to change them across all of your pages. So just keep that in mind. So you can change your header and footer links from any page that you're on. So for this case, we're just going to go into our home page here. And on the home page or any of your course pages, you're going to find the header at the top here and the footer at the bottom here. So we'll go into header first. So up at the top of the header here, you're going to find your logo where you can replace your logo or add your logo in here. You're going to find your style and your alignment. So you can change this from a solid header, which is just a plain colored background, to a transparent if you want. And that's going to take the image up right to the top, and your links are going to show up behind the image. You can also choose to have sticky navigation so that the header stays there while you're scrolling, or remove that. You can choose to show your dashboard. So for those people who are logged in, it'll show my dashboard at the top there. And then you definitely want to have this checked, and that's the menu label for mobile navigation. So that's what you're going to find under style and alignment here. And then your button for product pages. And so I normally uncheck this for all sites that we work on, because I do not want a link showing up there at the top of pages that says get started now or the price or anything like that. I want full control over where my call to action buttons are. And so I check this, so on none of my pages will that link show up at the top. And down below here under the block section, you'll find your custom links. So if I click into this link here, it's automatically got one for all courses. If I want to remove that, I can just delete that block. So the only link that will show up here is the sign-in link. If I want to add a link here, I just click on Add Link, and I can choose where it's going to go to. So it could go to a checkout page, a course page, bundle page, the student dashboard, to all courses, or to a custom URL. So for instance, if I wanted to link this to my blog on my website, I would choose custom URL, and I would put the link in here for my blog. So I'm just going to drop the link in here, and I'll write blog up here. This is the text that's going to appear at the top here. So as you can see, blog has appeared, and we'll click on save. Now, if I'm navigating to a different website, I would normally have that link connect in a new window. I don't want them to leave my site, so I'm going to open that. If it leaves my Thinkific site, I'm going to open that in a new window. If it stays on my Thinkific site, I'll normally link it in the same window because I don't want to lose them off my Thinkific site. And then click save. Now you can also reorder links. So let's add another link in here, and we'll just make this the all courses link. And then we're going to link to all courses, and we're going to keep them in the same window for that, and click on save. Then we'll collapse that. So if I wanted to reorder these so all courses shows up first and then blog, I can just drag it up there. And as you'll see here, all courses is now in front and the blog link is secondary. And we'll click save again. So that's how you change your items and the header. And now we're going to go back and do the same thing with the footer. So we'll go back to the home page. We're going to go down here to the footer. Here's where you add your social links in. So you can add your Facebook or YouTube or Instagram links here. Then you've got your copyright link here. So it'll automatically give you one. But if you want to change that because it's an incorrect brand name, we can just say copyright Brainy Girl You. And as you can see, that'll change it in the footer right here. Now these links here are for the home page and for the all courses page. If you want to change these, you just go into the link, change the text, change where it's going to if you need to. If you don't want one of these links, you can just delete it. So I'm going to go into the second link and delete that. So the all courses link now disappears and all I've got is the home link here, and then click save. And the other thing you might want to do on the footer is remove the Powered by Thinkific link and text here. Now you do have to be on one of the higher paid plans in order to do this, but I'll show you for those of you who are. So we're going to get out of Site Builder. We're going to go into Settings and Site, and then we're going to remove Thinkific branding. So right here, if you are on, again, one of the higher paid plans for Thinkific, you can remove that branding here and click on Save. And as you can see now, there is no more Powered by Thinkific on the footer on your Thinkific site. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the little bell to get reminders as we publish new videos. If you need help getting your Thinkific site set up or your course online, hit the link below and we'd love to help out.